Samajwadi Party was in the final stages of the seat sharing, the same that has also been announced by the former UP Chief Minister and Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav, where the RLD leader has said that he recently met with the Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra at the Lucknow airport, and later both of them left for Delhi in a chartered aircraft of the Chhattisgarh government, a development that has now set tongues wagging in political circles there, but a confirmation on the same that has also been given by Akhilesh Yadav, who this time around will not be contesting the UP Assembly polls, as he is also a member of the Lok Sabha, but he has been saying, and a confirmation that has been given, where Samajwadi Party's alliance with the RLD is in the final stages and the seat sharing is to be finalized, and this time around it is also being confirmed by the RLD itself. Jayant Chaudhary has now rolled out any possibility of an alliance with the Congress in the upcoming Uttar Pradesh Assembly polls. It seems that the Congress party is completely sidelined in the upcoming polls, as BSP already announced that they will not be forming any sort of an alliance with any political parties. BJP will be contesting alone, but an alliance that has now been formed between the RLD and the Samajwadi Party. Straight away going across to Sumi now. Sumi, what happens to the Congress party now? It seems to be isolated in UP.
Yes, absolutely, Abita. As you correctly pointed out, Congress has been completely sidelined in the Uttar Pradesh political arena. And in fact, RLD, now the Rashtriya Lok Dal, has also given out a massive statement. And Jayant Chaudhary, the RLD Supremo, has said that no seat sharing, in fact, no alliance will be stitched with Congress when it comes to the upcoming 2022 Uttar Pradesh Assembly polls. And in fact, the seat sharing formula is also, the discussion for the seat sharing formula is also underway with Samajwadi Party. And Samajwadi Party had also recently, given out this announcement of the alliance stitching between Samajwadi Party along with the RLD. And in fact, after that announcement was made, now the RLD has also come out and made its stand very, very clear that RLD will also not be stitching any alliance with Congress, but they have their alliance already stitched with Samajwadi Party. And on that, the seat sharing formula will also be out in the near future. And in fact, Samajwadi Party has been open for alliance stitching since the beginning of this season, as it has invited all of the smaller political parties also to come together with the Samajwadi Party. In fact, Shivpal Yadav has also made a statement that he is also very excited for the Samajwadi, for making an alliance with the Samajwadi Party. And in fact, he had been seeking that alliance for the past 2 years. And this alliance also is very important, keeping in mind the Samajwadi Party's, political bout, because they are getting prepared for the upcoming assembly polls in a very, very a stern manner. In fact, they want to oust the Bharatiya Janata Party in the upcoming polls. In fact, they want desperately a change of power in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Remember, 2 terms of Bharatiya Janata Party, and now the Samajwadi Party is also prepping up for a tough fight in the state of Uttar Pradesh.